Hi everyone, today I'll be making a lavender and silk conditioner. This conditioner can be used as a rinse out or leave-in conditioner and is formulated to complement the lavender and silk shampoo I made in my previous video. Stay tuned to see how I make it. I'm starting out with the water phase. It includes distilled water, which is great for hair and makes up over 50% of this conditioner. And just so you know, the ingredients and measurements I'm using today are included in the description box below. Now I'll add some lavender floral water, which will add a lovely light fragrance to this conditioner and provide some benefits to the hair, including calming the scalp. I'm also including DL Panthenol or vitamin B5, which will help retain moisture in the hair. Then I'm including some silk amino acids in powder form. This has the ability to repair and strengthen hair, as well as penetrate very deeply into the hair cortex. Then I'm adding some Cetrimonium Chloride, which is a cationic surfactant used in hair products to provide conditioning and softening. It is also an excellent detangler. I also included 5% vegetable glycerine in the formula, but I don't have that footage. Now, glycerin is a humectant that will draw moisture into the hair, so it does add to the conditioner. I'm going to mix this up, then cover with some foil paper and set aside for now. Moving on to the oil phase, I'm starting with sweet almond oil. This oil is great for softening, strengthening, and repairing the hair. Next, I'm including BTMS 50 or Bihentrimonium methosulfate, which is a vegetable-based conditioning emulsifier that's really good at conditioning hair. It comes in these white waxy pellets that will need to be melted down to a liquid. Then I'm including cetyl alcohol, which is a secondary emulsifier as well as a moisturizer and a stabilizer. It will work with the BTMS 50 to thicken the final conditioner. It also comes in these white waxy pellets that will need to be melted down. The final ingredient in this phase is LuxGlide N350. It is a natural dimethicone alternative and is used to provide slip and enhance shine and texture in hair. And that concludes the oil phase. Now I'll place both the water and oil phases into a water bath and put on the stovetop on medium-high heat until all of the oil phase is melted. While that's on the stove, I'll measure out the final phase, which is the cool down phase. This includes the preservative, Optifin Plus, that offers effective protection against the bacteria, yeast, and mold growth. It performs best in formulations that have a pH of 6 or less and should be used at or below 80 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to add some lavender essential oil to add to the lavender scent of the conditioner, as well as provide benefits of lavender like promoting hair growth. Then I'll add some black salt and cypress fragrance oil, which adds a nice clean and fresh scent to this conditioner, just like the shampoo. Now here is my water phase that's been heated, and I will add my oil phase that's completely melted into the water phase. Now I'm going to use my immersion or stick blender to properly mix both phases and facilitate the emulsion process. I'll do this for about 1 to 2 minutes, then I'll leave the mixture to cool for about 5 minutes. Then I'll come back and repeat the blend rest process about 2 more times. Right now it's pretty hot and very runny. As it cools, it will start to thicken to a more creamy consistency. After about 20 minutes of blending, then resting, I'm going to add my preservative. I mentioned earlier that Optifin Plus is to be added at or below 80 degrees Celsius. I don't have a thermometer to give me an exact temperature, but by feeling the outside of the measuring cup, I estimate that the temperature is less than 80 degrees. I'm adding a small amount of the conditioner into the container with the preservative, then mixing that together before adding it back into the bigger batch. After blending and cooling once more, I'm going to add the essential oil and fragrance oil mixture, then blend again. And here we have this beautiful and creamy conditioner that has thickened up quite a bit from when we started. I'm going to package this into an 8-ounce bottle using a funnel for easy transfer, and then later you'll see me using a pump top for dispensing this product. So I've used this conditioner as a rinse out conditioner several times. I love the consistency and I enjoy applying it to my hair. I was also able to detangle with it. My only downside is that it doesn't have as much slip as I'd like, especially for after shampooing. I'm going to keep experimenting until I get a rinse out conditioner with tons of slip. I also used this as a leave-in conditioner and it left my hair feeling hydrated, bouncy, and smelling great. All in all, I'd say this formulation had its successes, but it certainly has room for improvement. The final product is light enough that it works well with a pump top, but still thick enough for hair that loves thick products. For reference, I have type 4 hair that thrives on thick products, so I always consider that when making my hair products. And that's it for today's video. If you haven't yet checked out my Lavender and Silk shampoo video, I'll link it in the top right corner of your screen. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like or thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe for more DIYs like this one. Until next time, take care.